Hello and welcome to Sanam's kitchen. Today I'll be sharing with you this refreshing, nourishing, hydrating drink. So let's start. It's a cucumber water, so we're going to use cucumbers. So I'm just going to peel the cucumbers, and also you wanted to taste the cucumber. Sometimes it's kind of bitter, so I have peeled it. It's very refreshing. The cucumber itself is very refreshing, so this will be really delicious drink. So I have chopped all the cucumber. Now we are going to blend this. So I'm just going to put all this in a blender, and I'm going to add a little bit of water so that it blends evenly, and strain the mixture. Sometimes it is really pulpy, but if you like pulp, then you can just skip this step altogether. So here the mixture is ready. I'm just going to set this aside, and in another cup I'm going to squeeze some lemon juice. So I'm using this yellow lemon, which is really sweet in like slightly sweet in flavor, and I really like to use it. So I'm using about 1/4 cup of lemon juice. Now we prepare the simple sugar syrup. For that, take 1/2 cup of water and about 4 tablespoons of sugar. If you don't want to add sugar at all, you can also completely skip this step. So just boil it once and our simple sugar syrup is ready. Let this syrup cool completely. Now take a pitcher or a jug, and then we're going to add our cucumber juice and our lemon juice. I'm going to strain it. I don't want any seeds in my drink. And then I'm adding about 500 ml of water and some ice cubes. It's already smelling so refreshing, and the cooled sugar syrup. Now mix this all well, and here we go. Our refreshing, hydrating, nourishing drink is ready. It is smelling so delicious, and I'm just going to fill up a mason jar, or you can use a cup. And then I add some fresh cucumber slices and lemon slice, and ready to go. So try this today. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Enjoy this refreshing, hydrating and nutritious drink. Let me know in the comment box below what you think of it. Try it today, and I'll see you next time with another simple recipe. Enjoy your drink. Bye bye.